Hi, today I am going to explain about how to create whole feature in SolidWorks, and also I am going to explain design guidelines for whole feature. See, usually a workpiece is placed on the die and punch moves towards the workpiece. So a circular scrap comes out of the workpiece. So that is how the whole feature is created on the sheet metal. So now I'm going to show you how to create whole feature in SolidWorks sheet metal module. So we have to go to sheet metal and we have to create simple hole. So we can change the diameter and we can give the draft. Suppose if I give 10 degrees, so you can see the draft inward and outward. That's the difference. So rarely we use this option, and we have to always check the option linked to thickness. And there are many options like similar to solid modeling whole feature, like through all, up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, and even for plane also. These are similar to whole feature in solid modeling. So this feature is very easy to create, but we have to consider many factors while creating a whole feature on sheet metal. Let's see. Here, so minimum distance from the edge. So when we create a hole near to edge of the sheet metal, then we have to maintain at least 3 times the thickness of the sheet metal. Otherwise it will deform like this. So this is the deformation. It forms like this. So we have to be very much careful while maintaining hole near to this edge. Next is minimum distance from the hem feature. So when we create any hem feature, so distance should be 2 times the thickness. So thickness of the sheet and plus hem radius. So this radius we have to maintain. So this is the hem feature. So distance between this and the hole distance we have to maintain 2 times the thickness plus hem radius. So next is minimum distance between two holes. What distance we have to maintain between these two holes? Here the radius of R1 plus R2 and 2 times the sheet thickness. See here, the distance between these two holes is very much important. So mostly these are applicable for perforated sheets, these kind of sheets. So if we don't maintain the minimum distance, the sheet becomes weak and deforms. The minimum distance between the flange and the hole, it should be 2 times the thickness plus radius. So this is the flange and this is the hole. So we have to maintain certain distance. Otherwise the whole feature deforms like this. This is not recommended, so it should not be on bend feature. So this is the bend feature, so it deforms like this. So minimum hole diameter, so minimum hole diameter should be equal to sheet thickness or 1 mm, so whichever is greater. So at least it should be 1 mm or the sheet thickness. So these are the major guidelines for hole feature.